Hey guys, this is Natasha with United Commercial Insurance. Today I'd like to talk about a topic that comes up pretty often, and that's reporting all claims as soon as possible. I get asked if a claim should be reported pretty often, and really the short answer is yes. There's this misguided belief that delaying or failing to report the claim to your insurer is going to work in your favor, and on the contrary, we've found that that is typically going to have the opposite effect and cost a lot more in the long run. And so regardless of who you or your driver might think is at fault for that accident, the other party who is also involved has a legal right to file a claim. So when you delay or fail to notify the insurance company, it interferes with their ability to manage that claim proactively, like they want to get on top of it, and most importantly, timely. We want to get these claims processed and get you back on the road as quickly as possible. So why is there this reluctance to report claims promptly? Some motor carriers want to determine liability on their own and look at everything and say, hey, I don't think there's a claim to be filed. Others are worried that if they report the claim before the other party, that the insurance adjuster is going to reach out to the other party, and this is going to result in a claim being filed, even if one might not have been. And most of my motor carriers are more concerned about the potential increases they might see on their insurance premiums at renewal based on how much money was paid out on these accidents. Whatever your reasoning might be, it's very important to understand that an insurance policy is a contract that obligates you, the insured, to report these claims promptly. And so in exchange for the premiums that you pay, the insurer promises to investigate all claims and indemnify those covered under the policy. And so what constitutes a timely manner to the insurance companies? So really, claims should be reported as quickly as possible, but no later than 24 hours after they occur. The sooner the claims department is aware that something happened, the sooner they can respond to that. So letting them know as quickly as possible allows them to begin to investigate the incident while all the details are fresh to you or your driver, any witnesses that were there, and the other party that was involved. And this can be really crucial for several reasons because it helps minimize your downtime and it helps get the claim processed efficiently. If the adjuster can respond within the first 24 hours, they can take those steps, minimize your downtime, assist with any towing, control the costs, and get your equipment back on the road quickly. Also, reporting these on time can really affect the severity of a claim. Claims data shows that the longer it takes to report a claim, the higher the claims cost when it's all said and done. So I'd like to share some ways that you could implement some things in your company to help with timely reporting of a claim. And so one of the big ones is going to be to train your employees on accident reporting procedures. So you'd want to ensure that your drivers, dispatchers, managers, or safety personnel are trained on accident reporting procedures during their onboarding process. So you're training them right from the beginning, and then you want to have an annual meeting to go over those procedures and reinforce that information. A second thing you can do is you can hold employees accountable for the late reporting. So say you've got a driver out there, he's out for 2 weeks, he doesn't come back for 2 weeks, and he doesn't report that claim until he gets back. That is a lot of time that's gone by, a lot of details that are now kind of fuzzy. So you want to make sure that you're holding them accountable. So you'd have a written policy on these accident and injury reporting procedures, and failure to report that to you should have consequences. This would then help you identify late reporting and factor this into their performance reviews. So really hold them accountable for that. You can also appoint a claims handler. So this person would be a point of contact for potential claim situations. They would be responsible for reporting the claim to the insurance company, and they would also collect the documentation needed for the claims adjuster. So this can help streamline that process if everybody's sending that info to one person, and then they are submitting it and working directly with the claims adjuster. And so in conclusion, the timely reporting of a claim isn't just a good practice, it's essential for protecting your business and ensuring a smooth claims process. By following these guidelines and implementing some of those effective reporting procedures, you can minimize disruptions, control the cost, and maintain a positive relationship with your insurance company. So remember, prompt action today can save you time, money, and headaches tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in and drive safely.